Hey, what's up guys? It's Jason at KiloWattRC. We are back at it. Got this XRT out, running on 8F with the Mad components, high amp 8S ESC. So we got some KiloWattRC overkill packs in it. 2 4S. And we're pairing it with a Castle 2028 1800 kV, 1700 kV. Got the Gone Bananas racing skins on here. Let's just run, man. First run of the year. First RC run for me of the year. To be honest, I've been doing a lot of stuff in the background, guys. So got a lot of new things coming, changing a lot of things. So it's gonna be pretty wild. So let's see how this thing does with this high amp ESC. This is the first run, so I don't even know if this thing will run right. You know what I mean? And it's like sub-zero temperature out here, so we'll see how she runs. Hopefully she runs good for the first run. All right, turn around. See how she does. Ran pretty good. See the speed. Check out that speed. First run of the year, guys. Wrong GPS. See, still registering. Stop. Read 106. Score runner back again. All right. Runner back. See what she's talking about. Track. Start. See what that was? Running pretty good. Running pretty good for the year opener. See, she's still registering. Stop. Read 107 on that one. Probably gear up a little bit on this thing, man. Let's see what kind of current we pulled. Okay, we'll be back, okay guys? Alright, we're back, guys. Pulled about 800 amps on the first pull. So 184 amps on the first pull, 30 volts. So we had 3 volts drop. How low did the volts get? To 28. That's not bad at all. Second pass dropped about 27 volts, 800 amps. Got as low as 27 volts. Not bad. Started out as 32, so dropped to about 27. Not bad at all. Nothing crazy. Back opponents. High amp ESC, KiloWattRC overkill 4S packs, Castle 2028 1700 kV, KiloWattRC gearing, and we're gonna go again. So we'll see you in a little bit. Peace. Hey, what's going on? Back at it. To the battery swap. I did not mess with the aerodynamics. I did crank up the punch a little bit. I didn't bring any extra gears with me, so just gonna run what we brought. Start. Stop. Read. 2 on R. Track. Okay, speed is registering. Start. So we'll do a couple more passes. I wanted to turn the fan off because I don't need the fan on, man. I had that for the summertime. But the way I got it set up, I don't want to dig in that thing and mess with the fan. So let's see if I can see all the way down here. The sun is shining right in my face. Just like, oh God, just like it's shining in the camera. So I cannot look at the sun at all. If I look at the sun at all, it's gonna, oh God, I really can't see. All right, here we go. Punches up higher. Pretty violent pass, guys. Whew. Wrong cell phone again. Okay. Stop. Read. 110. It's not bad at all. So we'll do one more pass, okay? Track. Start. Stop. Read. 1 more hour. Okay. Start. Let's run it back again and see. I mean, 110. Just from going up in the punch. Pretty good. Like I said, she sounded pretty good. So let's see if we can get 111, get 112 out of it. This EC is doing pretty good, guys. I wish I had another gear so I can go up one tooth. But yeah, might have to gear up a tooth, man. I mean, shoot. What's today's weather? It's 26 degrees. 26 degrees right now where I'm at. All right, so let's see what the data looks like. Still picking up. Stop. Read. 112. Did pretty good, man. That's pretty good. Set up once again. Man, this thing keeps falling off. So cold the Velcro don't want to stick. So I got the WFOY kit on here. Got the Mac components, Max8v2 high amp. You know, we're running 8S with Castle 2028 1700 kV. Got some KiloWattRC. What are these? These are 12Ks. These will be coming out. These are some sick packs. These are 12Ks. These are big boy packs. They will be coming out. I'm working on it. KiloWattRC gear, WFO motor mount. Got these fans on the website. Surplus hobby. Course gone bananas, holding up pretty good. We're out. It's 26 degrees. We're out here running, so that's pretty good. Let's pull a day log. We'll be right back. Okay. Be right back. All right, we're back at it. Here's a log. Looks like we did a peak at the 110 mile per hour run. So we did a peak of 823 amps at 29 volts. A little bit better than the overkills, which is pretty good. Maybe those overkills are getting a little old, but these are 12K. These some big boy packs. See the second pass, 112. We reached 819 amps at 28 volts. The lowest we reached under load, was about 29. I mean, I don't know, like 29 volts maybe. So before the second run, we were at about 32 volts, which is amazing. Very good logs, very good logs. I'm impressed. So yeah, these 12Ks will be coming. I'm gonna keep running them some more. We got a lot coming, man. Doing a lot of battery switching over, shaking up. We got some stuff coming this year. Just bear with me. We're gonna do some 7-scale on-road Habal GT high voltage, Armor Limitless GT high voltage. We'll do 8S. We'll do 8S in both of them and high voltage. But yeah, guys, I really appreciate everyone be supportive of the brand, man. You know how we do over here. Oh, we got did some pretty crazy runs over here lately, man, and I'll show y'all those videos lately. Some crazy, I mean, fastest stuff you ever seen with an off-road car over here. So I'll show that stuff a little bit later on. Just doing some testing with some new tires and all that. So yeah, just needed to get back to this. Thank you guys. Like I said, thank you for everyone supporting, everyone checking the channel. Just, you know, have any questions, let me know. Hit up the email. Facebook Messenger from the business page. I'll put all the links in the description. You guys take it easy. Happy New Year and peace.